Me and my homie Alex, we're about to do, say what's up Alex. Hey, me and my boy Alex are about to do 200 push-ups. In his language, he calls it press-ups, right? Because he's from the UK. I call it push-ups, you feel me? But we gonna rock with whichever one we want to rock with, right? The challenge is 200 push-ups and 100 pull-ups, all within one 30-minute session. Okay? We haven't even stretched yet. I just realized that, but we're gonna stretch. So I'm gonna cut this and then I'm gonna like actually record the actual workout because we're gonna stretch first. But you ready for this, bro?
Yeah, I'm ready, bro.
Let's go. All the way down. 1, 2. All the way up. Remember, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
This was 9.
9. Oh, that was, well then that was 10. Yeah, that was 10. All right,
There you go.
here we go. So now do pull-ups. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. All the way down. 4, 5. Oh, 6. Okay, cool. Keep 7. Okay, so 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Cool. You want to do 10? What, you want to do 10? So 10 to 10, huh?
Oh shit.
Yeah, you're supposed to do 5. Dummy, but it's okay. It's okay. We can just, yeah, we got to know 10 and 10. Come closer. Alright.
5 next time.
Yeah, just remember 5 for pull-ups and 10 for push-ups.
I don't know what come out, man.
It's that beet juice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Okay, cool. Yep. So keep in mind we did 10. 4. So just so you guys know, we're doing 10 wide, 10 regular for push-ups, and we're doing 5 of pull-ups, different stances. 3, 4, 5. Okay. Come close like I did. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Come closer.
Okay. I can't remember the sets we're on too.
Yeah, so real quick. So 10, so we've done 15 pull-ups and 20 push-ups. So 20.
This is our third set.
Okay. Let's try to keep up with the numbers. 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. For regular. So here we go. Push-ups, pull-ups.
4th set.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. For the wides. That vegan power, baby.
Five, no, four. Wait, fifth. Yeah, fifth.
So 5th set. Okay, so we're halfway done, I guess. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, get the same angle for me. That was wide. You did wide, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Yes, yes, yes. That was regular, right?
Yeah. Six.
So that means we have 4 more sets, right? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. It's that vegan power, y'all. It's that vegan power. That's right. Are those regular or wide?
Regular.
Woo! 5 more minutes left on the clock for my GoPro, but I'll stop and re-record. 3, 4.
6 set done.
Yeah, so that's 4 or 5?
That's the 6 set
Oh,
done.
that's 6 set, okay.
And this will be your 6 set done once you're
That was
done.
reverse though?
Yeah.
Reverse, okay.
Chin up grip. Alright, starting the 7th.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. We can go a little further though with these pull-ups. Push-ups. Sorry, it's like more. Why? Here we go.
The screen went off, bro.
It's okay, it's okay. It's still recording. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So that's the 7th set done right there.
Okay. Give me front and back like that. That was wide, right?
Yeah.
7 set.
7th set. Eighth set.
Yep, this is the 8th set. 2 more sets. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Engage the scapula a little bit. Yeah. I think that's 10. Yeah. Wide, right?
Close grip, you know?
Regular grip, yeah. So this is our 9th?
This is finishing of the 8th.
Okay.
Oh shit.
I've completely lost track of count.
I haven't.
Good. Trusting your judgment here.
So that's the finishing of the 8th set.
Okay, it's finishing for me now.
Yep.
Regular or wide?
Regular. How'd you get the screen back on?
It's okay, just tap it.
Yeah.
Here we go. Come closer too.
Yeah, cool. Okay. 9.
So 2 more sets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good money. Good money, baby. Wide, right?
Yeah. Super Saiyan mode activated.
Come on. Come on, baby.
Not pizza.
Come on. Yeah, that's my pizza. We don't eat none of that shit. We're gonna make a vegan pizza. Complete raw ingredients. Whole foods. No chemicals, no animal products. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, was that 5?
10. Oh shit! I did 10 again.
Fuck. Okay, whatever. Was it regular or chin up?
Chin up.
Okay.
No wonder it was harder. I've done 10 set.
Come on. We can finish this 10 set within a minute. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Yeah, let me get wide, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so I just got done cleaning the SD card. I was in the middle of doing some push-ups. I'm going to do 3, although I only have to do 2 more to reach 10. And we're also going to do 5 more sets, all within 4 minutes. Here we go. Is it recording? Yeah, it is. You got 4 minutes for 5 sets. Come on.
Oh, I did that. I need to do my push-ups.
Alright, come on.
10 set.
3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. No. Fuck, I don't know. I forgot what it was. So fucking yeah. Alright, so chin-ups.
Yeah.
So this is a new set.
This should be your 10th.
Okay. But you
Well, no, this should be the end of your 9.
10th.
This is the end of your 9.
But what are you on? Your 10th now? Because you started
Yeah, I've
first.
started my 10th.
So you started your 10th. Okay, cool. Yeah, so end of my 9th. I fucking hit my chin. Fucking hit my chin kind of hard. Okay, cool.
Can't remember what grip.
Yep. Regular. 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. Yeah.
10% done.
Done for both of us.
Yep.
Alright, cool. Push-ups. Y, right?
Yeah, 11. Is this the 11th set?
Yeah.
It's weird how we switch round, but go.
Yeah, we're gonna start loading. The camera may cut off, y'all, but I think this is it. We have 2 minutes left. Come on, bro. Let's make it count. 1, 2, all the way up, all the way down. 3, 4, 5, 6.
I'll just do what I think is 11.
Okay. So now, wait, I just did that. So I do push-ups?
No, you usually do chin-ups, don't you? Yeah, you just did push-ups. I remember you just did push-ups.
Yeah. So,
now you just
okay, cool. Right, okay.
So, 12 set.
Yep, 12 set. 10. That's right, good money. So like it's about to end. It's about to end, but let me just, we're gonna end this right here because I got less than a minute left. Hey man, we're both like high raw vegan. We do raw for some days, but for the most part, cooked meal in a day or some food that are cooked. Right? We just did, I don't know how many push-ups and pull-ups. It is what it is. Like, comment, subscribe. Alex, what's your YouTube?
Peace. I can't remember.
You should name it. I can't remember. Anyway, see you guys for the next one. Let me know if you guys, what you guys thought about this video and if we should reach 300 push-ups and what was it, 200 pull-ups? Yeah. Maybe a longer video, but yeah, let us know.